Have you ever tried to tighten a nut with a pair of pliers? It kind of works, but it's not the right tool for the job. And I know it, you know it, we all know it. A wrench would be better. This is my tool chest. Messy, unorganized. I need to work on that. Finding the correct size wrench would just take up a bunch of time, so I just stick with the pliers. I don't know where all my wrenches are, what sizes I have, what sizes I need. But I know exactly where my favorite pair of pliers are. They're always right here, and they're always ready to go. The most versatile tool I have, and the tool no box is complete without. I feel much the same way about the GoPro Hero 10. It's not always the exact right tool for the job, but its versatility makes it a tool that should be in your bag. So let's talk about the GoPro Hero 10 just a little bit. The video quality can be just great, but you have to use the high bitrate mode. I use a natural profile and I find it to be pretty good. The flat color profile would probably be better. I would never use Vivid. Will it overheat? Well, it'll shoot 120 frames per second in 4K and 240 frames per second in 2.7K. It's waterproof and it fits in the palm of your hand. Of course it'll overheat, but I've never had any problems with it. The media mod is particularly surprising. It does a good job of picking up your voice and cutting out the wind. I find that the back microphone is not that good, but that could be user error because I think when you turn the camera around or using the rear microphone, you need to hold that relatively close to your face. I think though, if you're gonna be using this camera for vlogging, that the media mod is a must-get accessory. It's just so easy to use, and to be honest, sometimes it's just nice to push a button and shoot, and not have to worry about anything other than where the camera is pointed. I will admit, I have struggled trying to figure out where the GoPro Hero 10 fits into my overall kit. Is it the best action camera? I don't think so. Is it the best point of view camera? Again, I don't think so. Is it the best vlogging camera? Well, maybe. I will tell you one thing though, the Hero 10 has really impressed me, and it's easily found a spot in my bag. Thanks for watching.